Overlooking the Baraboo River and 400 State Trail is this custom 2-story home. At over 4,700 square feet, it has ample space so you can gather yet not feel crowded. There are 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. On the second level is a family room with wood-burning stove insert, kitchen with small eat-in area, separate formal dining room, and living room. Head down the hall and you'll find an office, a bedroom, and spacious master suite. Downstairs, the walkout level has a 2-bedroom suite with its own private entrance, a workshop, and heated garage. The property was once a short-term rental, hosting guests using the trail or as a getaway. Southeast of the home is this well-maintained 212-acre farm. There are 91.6 tillable acres, with an NCCPI average of 68. The remainder of the property is wooded and pasture. The wooded portion could be used for hunting or leased to hunters for additional income. A farm lane comes off of Nutmeg Road into the farm and gives you good access for equipment. To the north is the rest of the property. This piece has all of the ingredients needed to be made into an extremely productive whitetail hunting farm. There's east side ridgetop access, 45 tillable acres, with over 2 miles of timber edge. The wooded fingers and field edges naturally help create stand and food plot locations, forming inside corners and tucked away coves surrounded on 3 sides by bedding cover. The farm lays in a way that has many south-facing points and knobs for deer to bed on, and ditches collect deer travel for some obvious rut funnel spots. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, contact Luke, Zach, or myself, Justin.